Hello, in this video I want to show you how to perform first setup on JVC Smart TV. And to do this, first we'll need to grab our remote, and basically all of the buttons we'll need are probably this circle right here with the navigation. So there's a right, up, left and down, and also OK. Now, when you connect your TV to the power source, you'll be met with the first setup welcome sign, and now we can choose the interface language for our TV, and in this case we're going with English United Kingdom. Click on OK, then pick a region. In this case we're going with United Kingdom as well, and then there's initial setup. Welcome to the wizard for initial setup. Please OK to start the wizard, and we're gonna go with continue. Then before pairing your Bluetooth devices, make sure they are in the pairing mode. Press back to exit accessory adding, and in this case my remote is already connected. That means we can exit it, but in case your remote isn't, then find the source button on the remote. It should look like this, maybe not in the same area. Then just click and hold it for 5 to 15 seconds until it's found. And now we're just gonna go back. Quickly set up your TV with Android phone. If you want, you can click on continue. If you want to do it manually and adjust all of the settings using a remote, then click on skip. And now we can select the Wi-Fi network that we want to connect with this TV, and there's 5G and 2.4G networks. And for the first time, I recommend to go for 2.4 in case there's no support for 5G. So just pick a network with 2.4 band. Make most of your TV. Sign in to get new apps, recommendations, movies, the Google Assistant, and more from Google services. You can sign in to your Google account here if you want. Click on sign in. If not, click on skip. Then we can accept all of the terms and services. And you actually need to do it if you want to use this TV. So let's click on accept. Did you know? And let's view more. Then you can read through it if you like. I'm gonna click on OK to skip it. Let's accept to everything. Actually right here you can disagree if you like. For me it doesn't matter, I'm just gonna accept. Let's skip a Google Assistant. I will show you next time how to do it. You can check a playlist for that specific TV if you want. And let's continue. You can install the following apps seen below. In this case there's only TikTok. I don't want it, so let's continue without installing that app. Your TV is powered by Android TV. There's introduction, so you can learn more about your Android TV. You can read through it if you like. I'm also gonna skip that. Terms and conditions, we need to accept. Select TV mode, home or store. This is very important. Here you want to go for the home because probably that's where you're gonna use it. And then there's energy options. You can go for a saving mode, reduce power consumption when you are not using those devices. Chromecast built-in, make this device available to Google Cast even in a standby mode. Wake on network only, make this device available only to wake on network in standby mode. And if you want to save power, just go with the saving mode, and that's what I'm gonna do. Then there's a tuner mode. That means you can adjust the channels if you have a cable mounted. In this case I don't, so I think I'm just gonna click on next. And here's our setup finish. Click on the finish button. Then accept to diagnostics. You can click on next if you want to skip that. Nearly there, just finished the setup of your Freeview Play TV. Soon you can enjoy some things, whatever. And here we have it. Our TV is fully set up and operational. And that is it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.